Hello everybody, Olena Spicers here, doing a flip through of my design team project for Releasethecraftin junk journal kit called Autum Academia, and the kit is available in their Etsy shop as well as on their website, and I will link both. I created a very simple soft cover journal. The kit is really full, so my journal is really full. I used some scrapbooking paper, but otherwise huge majority of everything is from the kit. You know, the fall is almost over, but I'm not quite ready to say goodbye. And this kit just captures, in my opinion, late autumn, where now the days are getting dark and these colors are just projecting that. It's very atmospheric kit with the darker colors and some skulls. I created a lot of different clusters using elements from the kit, all the fussy cut elements. Created this. This is an envelope that would be fun to hold little secrets in. I always love the phases of the moon in the Releasethecraftin kits. Isn't this gorgeous? I love the owl. Again, the kit is really full. There are so many neat little elements that are great for clustering. As always, in my personal journals, I leave a lot of empty space so that I can have room for writing and adding ephemera later. And I'm really going to enjoy working in this journal just these last few days of fall, and then we'll see if maybe I will finish it next year, or I might just finish it this year as well. I'm going to follow some writing prompts as well as do my own journaling and collect ephemera. There are quite a few tags with quotes, and again the skulls look really cool with all the fall stuff. And then these guys, I took them and created additional envelopes to hold things. These were the file folders from the kit, and I just attached them on the bottom to create these tuck spots. There is an extra pocket here as well. I hope you've had a really nice fall. I am still working on some of my fall projects. I'm not completely done with Halloween stuff yet, quite yet, and I will post my journal once I finish that. But I'm also looking forward to creating my Christmas journal. This is a nice large journaling spot. Another phase of the moon. I always love the snails. Look at this. Again, gorgeous elements. And I used to, isn't this beautiful? I used to dread the winter darkness or the fall winter season darkness, but I'm trying to follow some of the prompts that make you go inward and use this time to explore things about yourself. So I'm trying to think of that rather than concentrating on the darkness, just slowing down, thinking. I created a pocket with one of the kit elements. This is actually the first time I think I've done belly bands in my journals. They're fun. Again, all of these are from the kit, Autum Academia kit. And then the final signature. And again, more of these large oversized tags, which I always love, and then an extra envelope I created. So there's definitely a lot of possibilities with this kit. lots of space for writing, lots of little elements to cluster, a lot of extra envelopes and tuck spots and journaling cards or tags. Yeah, I just had a really busy couple of months at work. I was able to enjoy a lot of activities in October on the weekends, but otherwise I stayed really busy, and then recently I had the flu as well, so that wasn't super fun. There's a journaling spot, an envelope for extra ephemera. Love this owl. Yeah, so it was just a little bit busy or not feeling well, so this was a different kind of fall for me. But again, I'm really looking forward to working in this journal. I have been collecting my ephemera, so I'm going to go through and attach that, print some photos, do some writing, following different prompt lists. Just enjoy, we'll still enjoy using it, even though we're getting close to fall, to December, which is hard to believe. So here's my journal. I hope you check out the kit. I really enjoyed the atmosphere of it, a little bit of darkness. But I hope to be back soon to show my Halloween projects and also start working on my Christmas junk journal, and I will show that as well. I hope you have a very happy Thanksgiving if you celebrate, and if you don't, I hope you have some time off and enjoy this long weekend. Bye. Thank you for checking out my journal.